Hello friends. So in this video we will discuss how to create the outbound delivery and its document type configurations in this video. So in our previous video we have done this. We have created the sales order with this document type and with this item category group and schedule lines. We have configured these things and created the sales order, and now we are going to process with the outbound delivery. But before going to the outbound delivery, we will start how to create the document type for delivery. So let me enter into the navigation path. So here I just enter into the logistics execution. So here you can see the shipping. So the delivery is associated with the shipping. So just enter into the deliveries. So here you can see the defined delivery types. I just execute it. This is the first step. So the default delivery type is LF. I just show you. So this is the default delivery type available with SAP. I just view it. So this is the thing. So let me copy this. So I just select it and click on copy, so that I can create it with my own parameters. So I just enter LFBE by document type. So this is the delivery document type for my company code PERP. So here it shows the document category is J. J represents delivery. So here, so this document type corresponds to delivery. So it's just make it as J, and here are the number assignments. You know this internal number assignment and external number assignments. So it has the incrementing a number interval of 10. So here this order reference, we have given the X, that is sales order required. So it is a default thing that has to be configured, this thing. And the default order type is DL. It's order type schedule. It's the default order type. And we are specifying this document type so that the schedule lines will also comes into picture when we are executing the delivery. And this is also the item requirement 202 that represents order with independent issue. So this is 210 represents no order, and 202 represents order with independent item. So you just go on with the standard one. And this is storage location rule. We can see that MAR is linked here, and there are other things are Mala, Rita, and MAR. So this MAR represents the addition of these two entries, that is Mala and Rita. So both of these are associated with the MAR. So I just go on with this thing. So it determines the shipping point, plant, and storage location. And in the Rita, it will have the plant, storage conditions, and situations. So I just have the property of both of these in MAR. So I go on with the storage location rule MAR, and other things are standard. So here it is selected with the automatic packing. Just untick this. So we will process it when we go for automatic packing. And general packing material item delivery split. Okay, I just click on this. Okay, let me have this. Okay. So by this way I have configured the delivery document type. Just click on enter. This entry is also relevant for copy control. Okay, choose whether this document type is also allowed for copying control. Just click on yes. Okay, just click on enter. So the entry has been copied. Save the entry. So I just include the delivery document type as LFBE. Okay, choose dependent entries of new objects. Okay, we have ticked. So let me save it once again. Okay, we process with the next step. Key conversion of this. Then I go to this define item category for deliveries. So we know that in our sales order we have the item category tan. So let me process what is about tan. Just view it. So you can see that the warehouse control relevant for picking, storage location determination, storage location required. So all these have been assigned here. So let me link this item category. So why I am linking this item category means we have used it in our sales order. So I have to assign this item category in my delivery document also. Let me do it. Define item category determination and delivery. So let me go with the new entry. My delivery document type. Let me enter it manually. That is LFBE. So the item category group. Here it shows norm. In our sales order we have defined norm. So let me link the norm. We have not defined the usage. Let me leave it. The item category. That is tan. So I have linked it. Then click on save. This by this way I've made a delivery document type that assigned to the item category. The next step is I define item category. This is not much relevant. Then define number range for deliveries. We can also define number range, a new number range. So I have gone with the same. This is also not much important. Then okay, let me go on with the next. There is copying control. We have also while we creating the delivery document itself, we have made the accessibility for copying control. But just I enter into it. Let's see whether it is required or not. So the screen is in display mode. Let me change it with the change mode so that we can define it here also. So this screen is all about we need to link the sales order with the sales order document type with our delivery document type. So the process can be done in this copy control method. I just delete this also. Okay, let me go with it. Okay, let me search for the document type. The delivery document type just now we have created as LFBE, and the sales document type ORBE. So we could not find that entry, so I just go on with the new entry. So the target delivery type. So here my target delivery type is the delivery type just now we have created LFBE, and the sales document type is ORBE. We have created in our previous video. So the order requirements, the header. So this represents the header conditions. What I have defined in my sales document type should be copied to the delivery document. So that is the order requirement, and the combination requirement I just go with the combination, and data transfer header data. Let me go with header itself. Okay, just save it, and the important condition is I just go to the item level. So here only I can define the item category. That is, here you can see it. New entries, the item category relevant to the process now is tan. So I just link the tan here, click on enter. It is compiling. Okay, order requirements, no. Okay, data transfer. Okay, just save it. That's it. Okay, this is the important assignment. Okay, just move on with the next. One entry chosen. So I just go with the condition. Okay, let it be item. Okay, just save it. Okay, I have defined this. Then the second, the define copying requirements. Let me maintain requirements and formulas. No, it is not necessary. Okay, okay, I defined this, and picking, packing, we will have this in a separate session. Either it is relevant, define relevant item category. Let me check for our item category tan. Okay, relevant. It is marked as relevant for picking. So I just it will be default in our system. Either you can please check it. I think we will see this picking and packing in a separate video, but it will take time. Okay, let me go with it. So the next thing is the main important thing is in our sales document type. In this document type we have to um, include our delivery document type. I just do it now. Close the shipping tab and move on to the sales and distribution. The basic functions. Sorry, it is not in the basic functions. It is in sales. The sales document type. Sales document header, sales document types. So I just search my sales document type, that is ORBE. So in this, we have configured this in our previous video. Kindly view it. So in this, I just want to include my shipping tab. So here I just replace this with the delivery document type that is just now we have configured. That is LFBE, and shipping conditions. I will make this the immediate delivery. I just go with the create delivery. Okay, just go on first. So this is also an important assignment. Let me save it. So before going to this inbound delivery, sorry, the outbound delivery, I just go on with the move on the new tab. We will just see what is the purchase. Sorry, the sales order. We will just view it before entering to the outbound delivery. So just go on with the order. We have created an order in our previous video. So I'll just get it. So why I came here is I just want to know the date of delivery, so it can be viewed from here. So that the required delivery date is, so when we click on schedule lines, you can see the delivery date is 5. So in this state only we can we can able to uh, go on with outbound delivery. So I just save it. I just go on with the outbound delivery in this state, that is 5/6/2021. So the T coders for creating the outbound delivery is VL01N. So this is the order. Let me go on with the shipping point, and the date is 5. Just click on enter. So it shows the number of copying routine for a table is missing in the table. So there is some error in copying control. So let me resolve it. So the error corresponds to the copy control in sales document. So let me move on to this. So in this we will go to the sales document. No, not this. Where it is? Copy control in sales doc. Oh, here. I just close here. You can find it here itself. Maintain copy control for sales document. This double click on the first sales document to sales document copy control. So we have created a new document type for the sales order. So I need to maintain this also. Just double click on the first one, not the second one. We will configure in the upcoming videos. So here it is in display mode. Let me change it. So here I just go on with the new entry. So the target sales document type is ORBE. From the sales document type, there is also ORBE. The it is okay. What are the partner header? Or else, if there is some confusion, let me copy the standard, and I will just go on with it. The standard is OR and OR. So we will select it and we will just copy it, so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, and this is general header data, business header data, partner header, and header difference customer. So all these things will be copied, and also the item. Just move on to the just click on save. I just clicked on enter. Specify target entries. Okay, let me change it from the sales document type as OR. Just click on enter. The entry of to be copied has been dependent. Okay, I just click on copy all. Okay, this much of entries has been copied. So I just show you what are the entries have been copied. Just select this entry and go on with item. I think whole of the item category will be assigned in this thing. Yes, you can see here all the item categories have been linked here. So what we are now processing is stan. Let me show the schedule line for that, and also the schedule lines also been included. You can see here. This is our schedule lines. So I think everything has been completed. Okay, click on save, and now we can process decoders VL01N. Clicked on enter. Again the error. So guys, it is not in the this. So I just enter into the delivery document, specific copy control for delivery document. I just delete it once and made it once again, so that there is not a error. Let me show it. So in this we have created the delivery document type LFBE and the sales document type ORBE. So here just confirm that all the item categories have been linked and also the schedule lines. So if not, there is a problem only here. Okay. So check once again, then you can process with outbound delivery. So just if I click enter, it will be processed. So this is the second screen for outbound delivery. So here you can see the material, the delivery quantity. So these things we have created. We have created a sales order in our previous video, and I'm creating the delivery document for that sales order, the same sales order. So in this, I just want to, you can see that the here I just click on status overview so that I can explain it clear. Not here. I just go on with the transport. Where it is? Okay, in the picking tab, you can see that the overall pick status. Okay, we were in the first item overview screen. Here you can see that item category, and I want to discuss about these things. For this, I can clearly see it in here, and this is the thing: the overall pick status, not yet picked, and overall warehouse management status. It is warehouse management. Transfer order is required. So we have not yet picked this material from our warehouse management. So we have to ensure that this material is available or not. So let me check that first. I don't know whether the stock is available with that material. Just go with the T code LS26, and it shows the warehouse material stock. The material number is 3 and 5 zeros followed by 360. 3 1 2 3 4 5 360. The warehouse. Okay, there is no stock available with this in the warehouse. So if I save this, let's see, the delivery document can be saved, but we cannot pick the material from the warehouse since the material is not available with the warehouse. So you can see that the delivery document has been created. So I just go on with the VL02N, that is change the delivery document. This is the last created. It shows the let me process once again. It will enter. So you can see the delivery document. So to process these things, we need to make picking. So before picking, we need to process the transfer order. So then only we can process the picking, and then we can make the post goods issue. So for the picking process, we need some configurations. So I stop here with this document creation, delivery document in SAP SD. So we will process in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.